Happy Sunday. My EFF, Mitlankam, Julius Malem Fanak, Twello Puporoga, Twello Papa. Your days are numbered. My EFF. Reliblelets are little fish, I got 2%. Hey, my 9% is working for me. Let's wait and see 2% working for you. Julius Malem, Tluela Otaba. Sergeant Fanning Kosi. He is the one that implicated the EFF Kumadlanga Commission. He is the one who spoke about the 7 tenders the Red Beret must have submitted. He is the one. He is the one that spoke about you. Yena and Libo Shibir. They are the ones. Where were you, Julius Malem, when in the ad hoc committee, when Sibiya was there? Where were you? Where were you in the ad hoc committee when Khan was there? Where were you? When your friends are coming to the ad hoc committee, you are absent. You all of a sudden you have things to attend to. You have merits now. Let me tell you, we knew as South Africans that you're going to come back and say General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is scared of you for speaking about you in your absence. You were absent there because you knew he was going to talk about you. You knew because Fanning Kosi was talking about you in the Madlanga Commission. You knew very well. You knew very well after Khan, he has to answer based on what Khan and what Sibiya has said about him. And him speaking about Sibiya and Khan, it means he's going to implicate you. You knew. And he didn't say anything about you. He spoke about the EFF. He spoke about the leader of the EFF being friends with General Khan. Ken Ukunene has spoken about you being friends with Muswati, with Mtagati. Floyd Shibambu has left the EFF as a result of you getting tenders that he was not pleasant with, he was not happy, and he has been interviewed on that. The interview, it's on social media, it's there. So the people that you are scared of, you are scared to approach her. Fanning Kosi. Arut, let's hear you speak about Fanning Kosi. Let's hear you speak about Fanning Kosi. Let's hear you, my EFF. Lonam the criminal mikuluguti aditsotsi protecting Julius Malema, who has never said more bus to anyone. More bus to anyone he doesn't know. He's fooling you. You are busy chasing, marching on the street wearing red berets. You're busy making noise. You are unemployed. The youth unemployment, and the ANC force him to open EFF so that he can have the youth. If you don't listen to Ken Ukunene as to how was EFF formed, and which people was it supposed to target? Because COPE had targeted the elderly, EFF was meant to target the youth. And the youth unemployment, ever since the EFF started, the youth unemployment has gone skyrocketing. Runa Jujune Ruhalmela fell. Hands off General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. He's not a perfect man. He's not as perfect as we think he is. We know. But he is a man. He is brave. He is a leader. For that record.